You're putting in the work, you're dedicating the resources, but the output is flat. The system isn't responding. So the logical question is, why?
The error originates in our expectations. We project progress as a linear function.
But the reality is that the most powerful outcomes are delayed. Your work isn't wasted, it's accumulating latent potential, stored energy in the system. The breakthrough only happens after a critical threshold is crossed. This initial phase is called the Valley of Disappointment. It's like heating an ice cube from 25 to 31 degrees. The change is happening, but it isn't visible. This is where most New Year's resolutions go to die. So how do we push through this valley? The first strategy is an upgrade to your personal operating system. We call it habit stacking. The principle is simple. Link a new desired protocol to an existing automatic one. You use the momentum of an established behavior to launch a new one. The formula is precise. After my current habit, I will execute my new habit. It's a productive chain reaction that doesn't require a lab coat. For example, after I pour my cup of coffee each morning, I will meditate for 1 minute. The existing habit becomes the trigger for the new one. The second idea is an initialization protocol for any new behavior. It is known as the 2-minute rule. Often, we fail because the activation energy for a new habit is too high. So, we need to lower the barrier to entry. You scale down any new habit until it takes less than 2 minutes to start. Read before bed becomes read 1 page. The goal is to make the start so simple, your brain's objection handler doesn't even have time to load. The objective here is not to complete the full task. It is to master the habit of showing up. You must standardize a behavior before you can optimize it. Now for a bonus principle that supports the first two. You can reconfigure your physical space to make good habits the path of least resistance. To practice guitar, place it in the center of the room. It's hard to ignore a task when you keep tripping over the hardware. This reduces the friction between intention and action. So we have the theory. Let's move to application. What is your first step? Here is your immediate directive. In the next 24 hours, select one habit to install. Shrink it down using the 2-minute rule. Yes, just deploying the yoga mat is a valid first step. To support your process, I have compiled a resource. I turn this into a clean PDF plus action worksheet. Link in the description or pinned comment. If this helped you, hit like, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more. What's the next step you'll take in the next 24 hours?